In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of objects in Canva. By the end, you'll confidently resize images and text boxes without any fuss, all using the basic tools built right into the editor. Start by opening your project in Canva so you can see your design on the canvas. Pick any element you want to adjust. This could be a photo, a graphic, or a text box that's already on your page. Click once on that element. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it. This outline has small handles along the edges and circular handles at the corners. Seeing that box is your confirmation that the element is ready to be resized. Now, to change the size, simply click and drag one of those handles. If you drag a corner handle, the element grows or shrinks in a balanced way, which is great for keeping images looking natural. If you drag a handle on the side or the top, you'll change just that single dimension, making it wider, narrower, taller, or shorter. As you drag, watch the live preview so you can stop when it looks right. When you release the mouse, the element will stay at the new size, and you can immediately see how it fits with the rest of your design. If you're working with a text box, resizing the box changes the space the text has to flow, not the font size itself. That means your text will rewrap to fit the width you set, which is handy for aligning captions or fitting headlines neatly in a layout. For images and graphics, resizing adjusts their dimensions directly. Keeping an eye on the corners usually helps maintain clean proportions, especially for photos. A few quick tips as you work. If the handles are hard to grab, zoom in so you can make precise adjustments. Try to resize from a corner when you want to keep things looking consistent. As you drag, Canva may show alignment guides that help you keep your element balanced with others on the page. And remember, making something extremely large can reduce its visual clarity, so aim for a size that looks crisp and intentional. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, click the element you want to change, and drag a handle on the bounding box to resize. Practice on a couple of different objects, an image and a text box, to get a feel for how each responds. Once you do it a few times, it becomes second nature, and your designs will look cleaner and more polished in no time.